Hello everyone, আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে ভালে মানে আছে। যোৱাকালি অনুষ্ঠিত হৈ যোৱা ADRE Grade 3 HS লেভেলৰ যেটো GK কুৱেশ্যন আহিছে আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম। সো বলক ভিডিওটো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। সো প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যন হৈছে লাষ্ট ক্যাপিটেল অফ আহোম ডাইনেষ্টি। এটো কি হৈছে? এনসাৰ হ'ব যোৰহাট। সেকেন্ড নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন কৰিছে শংকৰদেৱ গ্ৰেণ্ডমাদাৰ নেম। শংকৰদেৱৰ আইতাকৰ নাম কি আছিল? তো ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰ হ'ব হেৰচুতি। 3 number question kudise who is called lion of Mysore? Your answer of Tipu Sultan. Question number 4 kudise Jallianwala Bagh massacre in which state? Kot hoisile to Amritsar, Punjab ot hoisile. Next question kudise countries part of Axis in the World War II. ঠিক আছে World War II দুটা মানে আসলে part Axis আৰু Allies ঠিক আছে সো Axis পার্টত কোন কোন আসলে জাপান জার্মানি আৰু ইটালী আসলে সো আমাৰ কোৱেশ্যনত জাপানটো হ'ব আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ ঠিক আছে জাপান তাতে অপচন আছে সো জাপানটো হ'ব আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ তো নেক্সট কোৱেশ্যন কৰিছিলে Angkor Wat in which country? Angkor Wat to ক'ত আছে কাম্বোডিয়া এটো ক'ত আছে এছিয়াত আছে ঠিক আছে নেক্সট কোৱেশ্যন কৰিছিলে Assam international border with which country? Assam international border কোন আছে অসমৰ international border বাংলাদেশ আৰু ভুটান Next question kudisle which western state of India? Western state of India ki hoy Gujarat. Next question kudisle which is not peak of Himalayas? Himalaya kuntu peak no hoy kudisle so Anamudi hoise yar correct answer kod ase Anamudi Kerala ase. Next question kudisle Great Barrier Reef in which continent? Great Barrier to kod ase Australia ase. Next question kudisle mountain range in South America. Mountain range etu kod ase etu Andes ঠিক আছে Andes to kod ase South America ase okay Next question kudisle when earthquake happens under the sea what is created? Jetia earthquake hoy khagor tolot tetia ki hoy tsunami khisti hoy ঠিক আছে tsunami khisti hoy Next question kudisle chairman of Rajya Sabha chairman kun hoy vice president Next question kudisle oath of office to the president ok kune oath dia hoy chief justice of India ঠিক আছে chief justice of India Next question kudisle musical instrument is made from bamboo so yate chaita option dia asle so yar correct answer to ki hobo toka Next question kudisle Toklai Tea Research Institute in which district? Toklai Tea Research Institute to kuntu district ot ase Jorhat district ot ase Next question kudisle Gita Press is in which state? Gita Press to kod ase Uttar Pradesh ot ase Next question kudisle hour of the day in a parliament session for question without permission so etu ki koa hoy question hour boli koa hoy Next question kudisle chairman of Niti Aayog kun hoy chairman of Niti Aayog prime minister so bortoman kun hoy PM Modi ঠিক আছে PM Modi hoise bortoman chairman of Niti Aayog Next question kudisle Numuligor refinery located in which district kudisle so Korasi to Golaghat district ot ase Next question number 21 Kulu Dussehra celebrated in which state etu kot celebrate kora hoy Himachal Pradesh Next question kudisle Bering Strait between which country? Bering Strait to kun country major ase Russia and Alaska. Next question kudisle lyrics of the song Alakananda written by etu kone likisle Sankuraj Kaur. Next question kudisle real name of crime thriller writer Ranju Hazarika etu kone likisle Kumud Chandra Hazarika. Next question kudisle question number 25 Khanta Khista Hasta Pusta Modhusta written by etu kone likisle Dr. Bhavendranath Hoikia. Next question kudisle Kanchipuram silk sari from which state? Kanchipuram silk sari to kuntu state or hoy so etu korase Tamil Nadu. Question number 27 who among these is famous painter? Kun hoy to Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 28 Tania Chaudhary and Noyanmoni Soikia from which sport? So correct answer ki hobo option number etu lawn ball hobo ঠিক আছে Question number 29 identify the badminton player etu ki hobo পুলেলা গোপীচাঁদ ঠিক আছে পুলেলা গোপীচাঁদ Question number 30 which sport did India did not win a medal in 2000 Tokyo Olympics so etu ki answer po taekwondo ঠিক আছে taekwondo hoyto next question korisile question number 31 diamond league is for which sport diamond league to kundu sporter hoy world athletes question number 32 where is the national war memorial to kor ase new delhi ase question number 33 identify incorrect maths pair etu ki hobo yar option etu asle to stephen etu hobo answer to Stephen Edberg is in tennis ঠিক আছে next question কৰিছিলে question number 34 mission basundhara related to mission basundhara to কিহৰ লগত relate কৰা হয় landৰ লগত relate কৰা হয় question number 35 which organ not in etu sage organization hobo which organization not in business of commercial vehicles so your answer to ki hobo Larsen and Turbo next question korisile which is a class 1 category of lever so your answer to ki hobo one hand pushing an object question number 37 ki hobo national flag of which country has white cross and red background so your answer to ki hobo Switzerland ঠিক আছে Switzerland hobo your correct answer question number 38 hobo what is the earliest among the Vedas so your answer to ki hobo Rig Veda question number 39 which among was part of Indian civilization etu moi nilikilu answer to next question hobo who was in battle of Waterloo so your answer to ki hobo Napoleon Bonaparte next question korisile Bhairav Kundu train junction of so etu কি হয় answer to Bhutan Assam and Arunachal Pradesh next question korisile mountain range of northeast etu ki hobo answer Boreal range question number 43 which is not union territory of India so eta charita option asile so kuntu union territory of India nohoy korise so your answer ki hobo Maldives question number 44 equator tropic of cancer and capricorn pass through which continent so your answer ki hobo Africa question number 45 which among following is an island state of US so your answer ki hobo Hawaii Island so next question for this question number 46 volcanic hot water burst from ground is called so your answer ki hobo geyser question number 47 which is not a component of constitution so your answer ki hobo Directorate of Fundamental Rights question number 48 which term is used to indicate continuous increase in price of goods and service so your answer ki hobo inflation question number 49 the NRLM full form etu korise so your answer ki hobo Din Dayal Upadhyaya Antyodaya Yojana ঠিক আছে question number 50 Nobel by Padma Shri Rongbong Terang so your answer ki hobo Rongmilir Hahi question number 51 which is not Central Armed Force of India so your answer ki hobo Indian Coast Guard question number 52 chemical symbol of silver so your answer ki hobo AG question number 53 president of USA so your answer ki hobo Joe Biden question number 54 powerhouse of animal cell so your answer ki hobo mitochondria question number 55 Greenland part of which country so your answer ki hobo Denmark question number 56 the flag which European country is essential a red square and symmetrical white cross in the center so your answer ki hobo Switzerland next question korisile vice president of India as on 1st January 2024 so your answer ki hobo Jagdeep Dhankar question number 58 a flight from Chennai to Guwahati will fly in which direction so your answer ki hobo south to east Question number 59. What is the character of liquid with pH 5.0? So correct answer লাগিব acid. ঠিক আছে যদি 7 কৈ তলত হয় এটো কি হয় 7 কৈ তলত হলে এটো এসিড হয় ঠিক আছে আৰু বেছি হলে কি হ'ব এটো বেস হ'ব ওকে সো correct answer কি হ'ব acid. Question number 60. Which country does not have any seashore? So seashore মানে landlocked country টো কৰিছে সো correct answer কি হ'ব আফগানিস্তান. সো ভিডিওটো মই ইয়াতে সামৰিলো